Thank you and welcome back to Living Hope Mixed Farm. As I said before, we have dual purpose birds or chicken, and we are raising a parent stock from them. We have turkeys, we have other chicken. We also have local chicken which are purely local breed, not hybrid, not mixed breed. As I promised you, we are going to look at our local chicken right now. Thank you. So this is our poultry unit. This is where we have the dual purpose chicken that I showed you in the previous video. This is also our pigs unit. We have our pigs here. As you can see, they are doing perfectly well. We have the pigs here. As you can see, these are our pigs. These are our pigs. These are our pigs. These are our pigs. So these are our pigs. Some are lying here, as we can see. So here we again have our poultry unit where we have some broilers here. As you can see, we have some broilers here. We have some broilers here. These are broiler chicken. So these are our broiler chicken. As you can see, they are here. They are doing also perfectly well. They are weighing between 2.3 to 2.5 kilos. Some of them are here.